My name's Emmet Christiansen, and I'm an industrial design major at RIT. People ask me all the time why I actually chose industrial design as a major. I had no idea what industrial design was before I actually started applying for colleges. I knew I wanted to do something slightly artistic, but I also wanted it to harness my technical side that I have. I toured a ton of colleges. I did apply to other specific design programs, but industrial design is kind of such an obscure major that even like prominent design schools don't really offer it. RIT has a really cool balance between the technical and the artistic, and that's why I was really drawn to it. I think RIT just is a pool of creation and creators, and I knew I had to go here. Right now I'm outside the James E. Booth building where the majority of my classes are. I'm going to show you inside. This is cool. So when you immediately enter the studio, there is just a wall of a ton of products the students have made. All of them are just really cool and interesting. Sometimes I just catch myself looking at these for a bit.
There's also a super cool printmaking studio right behind the industrial design space, so yeah, it's really nice to have.
To any prospective students for industrial design, what separates RIT from the rest?
I like to think of RIT as a art and design school within a robust university context. So students here in industrial design are able to reap the benefits of a solid liberal arts education and professional collaborations which will mirror real-world opportunities.
I'm now going to give you the quickest tour of both Booth and Gannett and show you all the cool stuff inside.
Before starting the tour, I apologize for having the most monotone voice in the entire world.
There's the Imaging Systems Lab where you can print out all of your work professionally. This is the photo and video cage, which I actually just rented this lav mic from. It's really easy to rent tools and equipment. Actually, I was just going to pick up do you guys have any reasonable sized lenses here?
Yeah, I think we got something that might work for you. All right, here you go.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Appreciate it. There's like photography on the walls and stuff. This is where I go and eat breakfast sometimes because I sleep in. This is my favorite place to study. Here's just like a ton of student work that's just like displayed. And also right below is another art gallery. This is University Gallery, and right over here is the Vignelli Center for Design. And there's like a ton of cool cameras and stuff over here. This is the 3D design shop that I work in. This is the Fab Lab. This is where my drawing class is. There's not really a lot of lectures you have to take when you're in industrial design, but this is the Web Auditorium where I take art history. I have to be quiet right now.
Wasn't that tour absolutely amazing? That was really just the surface of what the College of Art and Design here has to offer though. And it's just so cool being in industrial design, having so much access to the entirety of RIT. I mean, everyone's just so collaborative here, and it's just so nice being able to go to such an amazing art school, but also be able to collaborate with engineers, computer science majors, and it's just a really cool community that we have here, and I'm just really thankful that I found ID as a major. And, you know, everybody goes here to be an engineer, computer science major, but you guys gotta be industrial design. It's way cooler. Check it out.